So, 9 times out of 10, when you see me live streaming, this is what you see. However, this is what's actually going on. And what you're seeing, what's actually going on, and what I'm seeing are all vastly different things. So today, we're going to take a look under the hood, behind the scenes, on what goes on in the streaming studio of me, the one and only DJ Crate Digger. Let's go.
Yo. Anybody seen me DJ is familiar with this setup. How does that happen? Well, it starts out with this rack that I built that has several different lighting rigs, monitors, and speakers. The front camera sits above the monitor that I use to see what is running on OBS, and the monitor below it, I can see all of my DJ software on that screen, so I'm looking at the camera at all times. I have 2 separate box lights that I built myself, as well as 2 LEDs. On the ceiling, I have 3 more of those same LEDs and another camera that shoots directly down on the DJ equipment. The heart of all of this is the CPU that I built myself with special specs, and then of course the green screen behind me that disappears when you see those videos. The last thing I want to share is this app called OB Switcher. It allows me to change my stream scenes all off that app on my phone, staying as tightly focused frontwards towards the camera, engaging the audience as possible. More info in the description below. Welcome to Behind the Scenes.